everyone, I'm Kelly from Craft and a Cuppa and welcome to unboxing episode number 5. I think it's number 5, yes. So today I am going to be opening up a beautiful box of 4-ply yarn. I had somebody reach out to me from Woollyccino and her name is Anna, and she asked if I'd like to try some of her yarn. I was like, absolutely, yes please. And I looked on her website and I cannot believe the amount of beautiful yarns that she has to pick from. There is also an option where you can create your own yarn cake. So if you want to do that, you then contact Anna and she would send you a sample of all the different colours. I was literally like, oh my goodness. I kind of wanted to do it, but at the same time, there was so many I couldn't pick. I know what colours I like, but then I like to see what it looks like already made. So I thought I'll go for a ready-made one, then I know what I'm getting, but maybe next time I might create my own one because the colours are just absolutely beautiful. And Anna is so lovely and friendly and will help you through each step of the process. If you're looking for a particular yarn or a particular colour, just give her a message and she 100% will help you out. So lovely, so friendly. So, I've been recently making some little mesh tops to go underneath my bikini for in the garden because I'm not really walking around outside with this on. But when Anna reached out, I thought, what could I make? I really wanted to turn this into a long bikini cover-up. So I think that's what I'm going to go for. I'm going to give it a shot and see what it looks like in one of these beautiful yarn cakes. I've not even opened the box yet. I've had the box since Saturday and it's now Tuesday. I've been waiting very impatiently because I wanted to open it up on the camera so we can look at it together at the same time. Oh my, it's been torturous knowing that this has been sitting in the craft room. So anyway, getting back. I am going to hopefully turn this into a longer version, and I'm hoping to have it just under the chest area, and I'm thinking in my head I want this bit to be open and flowy, and the perfect yarn to do that with is definitely 4-ply cotton. I think it's a mixture of cotton and acrylic, I think. I just need to double check that one. But I will put a link to Woollyccino in the description of the video, so definitely go check her out. Absolutely, the selection is crazy, honestly. You're just like, oh, I don't know. There is a lot on there. And like I say, you can make your own as well. So, should we have a look? I've been waiting, like, I don't even know how many days. Let's have a look what's in the box. Okay, I am so excited for this. I've literally been waiting, like I say, since Saturday. It's now Tuesday. Let's be real careful. I'm always so careful when I open my box. That's why I do it in stages, because I don't want to catch any yarn. Not that I'll do much with the kitchen knife, but even still, just want to go a bit steady. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That's lovely. 0-calorie yarn cakes. Well, aren't they the best? Oh, I don't even want to... Oh my gosh, I can see a bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just got a little glimpse of one. I don't really want to rip this. It looks so lovely. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious me. I've even got a little card with my name on. Have a fantastic day full of crafting, Kelly, Anna. Well, that's just lovely, isn't it? That adds a really, really lovely personal touch. So it's Woollyccino. Also on Etsy. But I'm going to put a link also on Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, and also Facebook. But I will link the website in the written description. Can't get my words out right. I'm literally just looking at the yarn in the background like, oh my goodness. I literally don't even know where to start. How stunning is this yarn? Oh my goodness. So yeah, each yarn, it doesn't have a particular name, but it just has the name of the colours that are in it. So this one's bouquet, pink, fuchsia and hot pink. And it's 4-ply and 1,000 metres. Oh my goodness gracious me. That is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Love this in the middle as well. If you want to pull from the centre. I've got to be honest, I don't pull from the centre because I've had so many bad times. Not saying that I would with this one, but I've been scarred. I've been scarred in the past by going from the centre, so I always go from the outside. But oh yeah, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful blue going into a mint colour. So what's this one? Pistachio, Nymph, Riviera, Lagoon, 800 metres. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious me. That is stunning. What is this one? Oh my goodness, look at it. Yellows, golds, my favourite colour. Mustard yellow, love it, absolute favourite. I don't even know, I don't even know what that one says. I'm so sorry, I'm so bad at pronouncing things. So this one's bouquet, gold, curcuma, possibly? Sorry if I've got that wrong, Anna. Night green. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. That's all I'm going to be saying, Merson. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Look at this one as well. That's a big one. I bet that'd make a beautiful skirt, wouldn't it? So I do have a few 4-ply yarn cakes in my stash, but they're so lovely. I don't know what to make of them, and I just kind of admire them. Do you have yarns like that in your stash that you don't use, but you just look at them and go, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. But you got to find the perfect project to make with it, haven't you? Because you don't want to ruin the cake. It's not like a skein of yarn or a ball of yarn where you can like just wind it back up. That's fine. This is the sort of thing where you start making something, you want to keep making it. You don't want to be frogging it. You want to just make it. Oh, I love the heart cut out on here as well. So this one is night green. I don't know how to pronounce that, but that one. Blackberry and hot pink. Absolutely stunning. And this one. Oh, look. Are these like little samples of colours? Oh, look at that. I've got thistle, nymph and opal. And apricot tea. Oh, look at that. Black apricot tea. Very nice. What a lovely little package, isn't it? And then this one, look at that. Oh my goodness. Absolute perfection in a yarn cake. Oh my goodness. Vanilla, bouquet, blush, capri and light petrol. Absolutely stunning. So lovely. Should we have one more look while I put them away? This one, beautiful. What went next? This one, stunning. This one, yummy yummy. 0-calorie yarn cakes, yum yum yum. This one, oh look at that in there. And this one. Absolutely stunning. I am so excited to get crafting with these beautiful cakes. So there we are, another unboxing episode done and dusted. What a beauty that one was. Oh my goodness, I literally can't believe how beautiful those yarns are. I'm a little nervous to start using them and excited all at the same time. That is what I'm going to get on right now, is doing this swimsuit cover up. Hopefully it goes okay, fingers crossed, positive thinking and all that. It's just going to be amazing. Can't wait. Right, I'll see you again very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.